Now, I'm not very intuitive about locations around here, so you guys are gonna have to help me find things to do.
Yo, God is in the details. I bought the Supreme resale, baking the eggs, my whole team finna eat well. Hate to see me win, they would rather see the dream fail. I float away as I inhale and watch a cigarette smoke sky fall over the beach. Break it down as I reach for the backwood leap. Take a drag, let the tide wash over my feet, and in this moment I'm feeling complete. My 1980s Mercedes-Benz is looking clean. Sipping juice and gin in the cream. Playboy, let the men rolling up Doja. Find a Hennessy tucked in the cup holder. Just a young soldier. Right up the Johnny Knoxville and Dave Chappelle. Take a pull off the bottle and I face the L. Quoting Terry Kennedy when we watching Baker 3. Dreams of ORVs with LED screens. It's like that, y'all. Running right back, y'all. These rappers making me sick. Boy, you are what you sip. Throw my balance and I fall into an endless abyss. Hanging by my fingertips, I lose my grip and I slip. Yeah. Ayy, with twin katanas on my back, in a Mazda with a sack of sticky ganja on my lap. Getting dollars, that's a fact. Boy, you falling for the trap. Yeah, I'm falling and I can't turn back.